all of us massively underestimated how much of a beast this challenge was. Would I do it again? For now, I would say I won't do it again, but you ask me in like a month's time, I'll probably say, yeah, why not? I always feel like with these things, sometimes it's better just to start, like in the middle of the night when you wake up, or well, especially what we're doing it in there, but like just try and survive off a lot of caffeine. So right now we are about 15 minutes away from Land's End, and tomorrow morning, early in the morning, we're going to go to Land's End, the most western point in the UK, and cycle to Ness Point, which is the most eastern point in the UK. Roughly 690 kilometres and about 6,500 metres of climbing. One thing we need to do before we leave, make sure the route is loading. It's a big one to sync. We've been chatting about trying to do this under 30 hours, and currently the predicted time on Komoot is 32:17.
What's your average speed, or what do you need your average speed to be?
I don't know what the my average speed needs to be. Fast. Just kind of want to get started, to be honest with you. It'd be good to get, I mean, it's going to be what, like probably an hour while it's dark. Which is quite good, in all honesty. Just to get, it means one less hour on the other side. Hopefully. 5:31. Whatever you said.
Get 30 hours, see you later.
See you in a while. The light fell on, so sort it when it starts to get dark again. Yeah. Everyone's in it now. Just stop at the top of the lug.
You're doing well though, you really want this 300 quid? Yeah, I do.
Right, coming up to 200k. This is hard. This bit is hard. I guess what I was kind of hoping was me showing my insecurities in the incident, was hopefully that helps other people to open up and talk about their own insecurities. Like right now there's this thing about being manly, and how maybe being manly is actually being open and honest about your feelings, not just trying to cover them up and hide them away, I guess.
Chris, right, mate? You alright? Yeah, it happened a little bit. Yeah, I'll be with you in a bit.
There's a bunch of guys and with like dogs. And one guy came like belting over. Not like that, basically. I think gonna ride on to London and probably end it there. I think last night probably shook me up a bit more than I thought it would, and don't want anyone to ride my bike anymore. Mate, I don't know why you're filming. Might as well just wait until Andover again. The problem is with this kind of thing, yeah, is if I didn't have another go at it, it would be like a little monkey on my back that eats away at me for months, years, whatever it is, until I had a go at it again. It's not fun when something gets taken out of your control. Yeah, I don't know, I feel calmer than I did last time. I don't feel stressed. I think that's just because we've done the motions of it.
Not stopping.
435 to go. Ride time is Ride time is 8 hours, is it? No, 12 hours. So, Komoot's predicted ride time to here is 13.5 hours. Need to strap on the, put the big light on, don't I? The jackpot mud peanut butter, genuinely says that. And your local jam, get some bread, find an object that can look good for scooping. Reese's front with your peanut butter stick, which is just about it. Slap it on there, bosh. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. Midnight, layer the
That's very scary.
what is? Albeit I've changed a few bits on that 400k now, but it's going to be a lot of the same for a lot of hours. And then when we get to the new bits, it's going to be dark, it's going to be middle of the night, I'm going to be knackered. But like I've always said, like if I don't feel safe, we'll just stop. This looks ridiculous. So we're having a power nap. Ironically in the same place we did last time. I'm doing this with my eyes closed because it's so bright. It's very hot and very salty, and we've got 300k exactly to go. So it's very cold, so wait for it to warm up again a bit and then go again. I think realistically we probably got into sleep at like 3ish, 3:30?
No, it's 4:30.
Was it 4:30?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 2 hours sleep.
2 hours sleep. And then we've got 300k left. I'm thinking to try and break it down into 3 blocks of 100k each.
Good luck, mate. Have fun in London.
So slow, like progress is so slow because now we're just dealing with traffic lights all the time. We're just outside of Romford, I think, and we've got about 170k to go. Don't really know anymore.
He's on the emergency fuel.
400k of this ride is brutal. It's continual climbs, sharp and steep. You always get like self-doubt on these kind of things, you know, and I was definitely going through that whole like being unsure if I could actually do it. It's as much a physical thing as it is a mental thing, and knowing how to, I guess, control that is part of the challenge. Being able to push that self-doubt to one side and try and not let that monkey win over. Finally, the biggest goal of this challenge was obviously to raise funds for Movember and the incredible work they carry out in changing the face of men's health. They do such incredible work in supporting men's mental health and physical health with their awareness of testicular cancer and other forms of cancer. And for me, I wanted to showcase what they do and how they have helped me as well.
Thank you, Nick.
Next question. Probably had like 200k to go and I wasn't sure if it was going to be doable. I think all of us massively underestimated how much of a beast this challenge was. Like you look at the distance and it's kind of like, oh yeah, that's far, but then you add the elevation in, the headwind, the whole way, and I think it's closer to 10,000 meters.
Will you do it again?
For now, I would say I won't do it again, but if you ask me in like a month's time, I'll probably say, yeah, why not? Oh. There they are. Look at them. I can't put my fingers straight. Slower than a cheetah, but faster than a tortoise. Maybe giraffe pace.